Hi guys, my name is Noah Czudak and I am a sophomore at Casanova College studying environmental biology. And in this video I am going to be showing you how to identify the four most common maple species that I'm sure you do have around your area. And before I get started, I'm going to ask if you guys know what the common maple shape is, the leaf shape, because that's going to be your first step in identifying two species once you go out and do look for them. The first one I'm going to show you is a Norway maple, and this is a Norway maple right here pressed down, and it has 5 lobes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many of these trees are used as an ornamental, and there actually is a variety called the Crimson King, which many people have in their yards, and it's just the exact same thing but with a red maroon tint to the actual leaf itself. So many people actually do get this confused with its in the same family as the sugar maple, and once the leaves start falling, and it'll be a lot easier to identify them once you learn how to look at the buds on the actual twigs. So once the leaves fall and you can't find the actual leaves anymore, we use the twigs, and more specifically the buds on the twigs. So with Norway maple, the buds are a lot larger, and scalier. So you can see there are different layers on them compared to the sugar maple, which does look very similar in shape and also does have the 5 lobes on it. You can actually look at the buds, and you can see right here that they are not as fat, or as these ones might be actually a little scalier, some might say. So this is how you identify between a sugar maple and a Norway maple. And then another two that many people do confuse as well is a red maple and a silver maple. So the red maples, instead of 5 lobes, they have 3 lobes. So 1, 2, 3. And the twigs, actually, their buds are very large and very distinct, and that's a major characteristic of a red maple, because all of those big bundles of buds right there are a telltale of red maple. And the one that is also confused with that is a silver maple. So silver maples, they are hard to identify because they have 3 lobes as well, but the key characteristic is they almost have a small, like, silver hue to the back of them right here. And their twigs are completely different. They do not have those large clumps of buds on the twig. So that is how you identify among the four most common maples. And before I let you go, I'm going to ask you, how would you identify between them all? Based on what I showed you, what would be something you would keep in mind next time you go out and look around? Have a good day. Bye-bye.